1997 Toyota liteace update. I found the blinker switch that I broke. I found a replacement for the blinker switch that I broke. And I've installed it and everything's good. I got it on intermittent, low, high, and washer. And it works. I was looking for this part for about a year. And I could not find it. And I actually had to wire just off-the-shelf rotary switch and a push button to get the windshield wipers to work. In my previous videos, I keep referring to this to a blinker. This is your blinker over here. So this is a windshield wiper that I busted. And I busted it because, as you see, is your gear shifts right here. And it was late at night, dark, and I was kind of in a hurry. I grabbed this and I went like this in reverse. So I put the poor little windshield wiper switch into reverse and it cracked. So this actually, the windshield washer activator actually broke, but all these were working. But since I broke it, the thing would flop forward. This actuator would flop forward and get in the way of the gear shift. And the windshield washer would not work. So I really couldn't drive it around without a windshield washer working, and with this flopping around and the getting in the way of the gear shift. So I came up with one solution to put some rubber bands back here to hold it back. So I put rubber bands to hold it back and put some grease on the rubber bands so it would slide and do that. And the windshield washer, I put this push button on here. I wired it up, so I pushed that and the windshield washer would work. But now it's all back together at factory. I am worried I'm going to grab this again, or somebody's going to grab this again, so I'm thinking about putting some Velcro like that, sticky on the back so your hand can identify that something's wrong there, not to shift that. So I'm going to put some kind of fuzzy stickers back here, so when you grab it, you don't try and put this poor little thing into first gear or reverse or whatever. But that's it. She's almost back to factory new. The only modification I made was this heater core right here. And it's actually a nice little option. That thing cooks the cabin when it gets cold on high. So, and that looks good. And it's really solid. It doesn't look cheesy at all. It's really good. I mounted it really well. So that's it. So you can't take points off on my windshield washer rig, windshield wiper rig, because they're all back to normal now. Can't take points off me removing the aftermarket heater core I had in there, because I put it here. That's actually an upgrade. It's even an upgrade for the original. This thing heats up really good. I got a nice little weird glove box here that doesn't have a door and is not meant to. It has this lunch tray, I guess. I don't know what this is for. It's kind of not flimsy, but I wouldn't be resting my elbows on here writing a report for work. But maybe you can set something on there. I don't know, I have to try and do some research on why this is like this. This is only Japanese import that I've seen with this type of work. But anyway, I'll post this.